Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So today I'm really excited because it's Tablescape Tuesdays and I cannot wait to see what you guys put together. So let's get started. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the ladies of Elegance, and that's Amethyst Adventures, Courtney, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. Now, I'm going to be linking our channel links down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what everybody did today on Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, what I'm doing today is decorating a table for two out on my enclosed porch. And yes, it is all about fall, guys. Now, don't forget to click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And also comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now, I do want to thank everyone who's been jumping in every week to support Tablescape Tuesdays. I also want to thank everybody who's been watching the videos and supporting us that way. So I want you to know how much I appreciate you. Now remember that Tablescape Tuesdays is any style, any color, any theme. And you jump in every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, let me go ahead and play a little bit of music as we continue decorating this table, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about the scenery here. So the florals came from the Dollar Tree, and I made that stone vase in a DIY, which are absolutely beautiful. Now you can interchange the florals and also change the embellishment that's hanging off of the neck of that vase. Then I also made the two little apple baskets. Those are so adorable. So one of them say give thanks and the other one says blessed. And they're filled with apples with a little nautical rope handle. They're adorable. So then I also made beside those on either side pumpkin topiary. And I think everything came out beautiful. So the swag you see on the table, that was a thrifted item from the Salvation Army. The cylinder vase filled with pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree, and the lantern with that big humongous sunflower, so cute, that came from Walmart. And then I have a cylinder vase with a white candle, and those came from the Dollar Tree. So the tablecloth I thrifted at the Salvation Army. Now the placemats and the dishes all came from Hobby Lobby. Those were so beautiful. And then that black pumpkin in the center, that I DIY'd. Okay, so here, the napkin holder I got from Hobby Lobby. The actual napkin I thrifted at the Salvation Army, and then the utensils, they came from Target. Okay, so the wine glasses, those came from the Dollar Tree. And then the water glasses were a thrifted item that I believe I got from the Goodwill. Okay, so now alongside each of the plates, I have a little grateful sign, and that came from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so now the candles are lit. I think we're almost ready to head on over to the reveal, guys. So I think that everything came together absolutely amazing, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.